what I'm going to be doing is taking this tool right here, and I'm going to cut these ceiling tiles out, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to take you in closer though first. Alright, I go up the ladder here, and there's these wires like this all the way around, and you'll see them if you have one. Anyway, I'm going to take that tool and I'm going to clip them, and you'll see how easy this is. There's one more right here I gotta cut. Probably should be a little more safe than I'm being, but okay, that's all. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Check out my bathroom playlist and some of my other videos.